few spots in the grass here. As you can see, it's pretty bad, and you pan out, not irrigating, but you know, there's some couple rough patches right here. I'm not sure if I got hit with the grubs or just drought, but looks like some bug damage for sure in a couple of these spots. So there's a spot here, and I'm going to show you a little trick.
A few moments later.
Try to get a little contrast here between the two. That looks a heck of a lot better. I didn't mix this up as potent as you can, but this is a non-toxic dye, a lot like the mulch dye that we used, and this is made for grass, but by no means perfect. With the mix ratio I went, and I've got too much water, because I'm not trying to make it look perfect. I'm trying to make it look better. Some of these spots, and dog spots and things like that in the yard. So, just thought this was another handy trick. This is not by any means a new product. I think it's been out for a long time. I've actually had this bottle for several years. And I'll post that spot's still on. And you can see how much better that looks already. We'll try to put a link to a newer version, maybe in the description, for something that's more current, perhaps, if this isn't available anymore. Never can tell, but thought it'd be helpful.